If you find yourself watching this video, then I determined that division practice is something that you probably need to focus on. So let's just jump in, okay? So 18 divided by 3 can look like that. It can also be written like that. And I'll even go ahead and tell you it can be written like that. That is me showing you it can be done different ways, written different ways, just because you're going to see that. Now I'm going to tell you you can solve it different ways. One of the things you can do is you can know 3 times, you can just know that 18 divided by 3 is 6. You can just know that. So let me write that again. You can just know that 18 divided by 3 is 6. And if you know that, then that's fantastic. Even if you know it, let me take you through the process, okay? One of the things you can do is you can list your 3 times tables. 3 times 1 is 3. Times 2 is 6. Times 3, and what you're trying to do is get as close to 18 without going over. Times 3 is 9. Times 3 again is 12. Times 3 again is 15. Times 3 again is 18. How many times did I multiply? So I should have done this, I'm sorry. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, this is 3 times 3. This one should be 3 times 4. This should be 3 times 5. And this one right here is 3 times 6. So how many times did I multiply by 3? The answer to that is 6. And guess what? 18 divided by 3 is 6. You can also do this. You can also subtract until you cannot take away 3. You're taking away 3 until you cannot take 3 away anymore. So 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 minus 3 is 12. Now, each time you get an answer, you have to ask yourself, can I take away this number again? In this case, it's 3. Can I take 3 away again? And the answer is yes. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now I landed on 9. If I have 9, can I give away 3? The answer is yes, and so you do it. And the answer there is 6. If I have 6, can I take away 3? The answer is yes, and so I do it. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now, if I have 3, can I give 3 away again? Not do I want to, but can I? The answer is yes. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now, if I have 0, can I take away 3? The answer to that is no. And now we go back and we count the number of times we took away 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. So how many times did we take away 3? And the answer to that is 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6. You can also do this. I've drawn 3 groups, okay? And I'm going to give each group 1 evenly until I cannot anymore. And that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And now, how many did each group get? This one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18 divided by 3, yet again, I'm telling you, is 6. So what I'm trying to show you is there's more than one way to work on these without having to say, I don't know what to do. Okay? We don't have to keep saying that you don't know what to do. Now, do you have it memorized? Maybe you don't, but you can figure it out. You can use what you know to get to the answer. We've got time to probably only do one or two more because I'm showing you multiple ways to find the answer to this one, okay? So we're going to do 32 divided by 8, okay? Again, what you can do is you can draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can give each circle a tally mark until you can go evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in this group. 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 So we gave them, we had all 32 and we split them up in each group. How much did each group get? They all got 4. So 32 divided by 8 is 4. What you can also do is this. 8 times 1 equals 8. Times 2 equals 16. Times 3 equals 24. Times 4 equals 32. Okay? You can do it that way. That requires you knowing your multiplication facts to be able to do what we just did. The other thing you can do is this. 32 minus 8 until you cannot take 8 away again. So 32 minus 8 is actually 24. If you have 24, can you give 8 away again? The answer to that is yes. So you do it. 24 minus 8 is 16. If you have 16, can you give 8 away again? The answer to that is yes. So you do it. 16 minus 8 is 8. If you have 8, can you give 8 away again? The answer to that is yes. So you do it. 8 minus 8 is 0. How many times did you take away 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. You subtracted 8 4 times, and so 32 divided by 8 is 4. You don't have to say anymore that you don't know the answer. You may not know the answer automatically, and that's would I like you to know some of them automatically? Yes. But more importantly than memorizing, I want you to also know how you can get it if you do not know how. You don't have to keep saying, I do not know how. Some things may take you longer, but longer is better. Longer and leading there is better than saying, I don't know how and not trying. So this was division practice, and I showed you maybe 3 different ways on each problem to figure out how to get to the right answer. So what I need you to do now is to get ready for whatever the next center, the next section will be.